So Stage Sound is a brand that I didn't even know about, and they like send out the speaker. And the funny thing with the speaker is that it has some weird, like strange things with it. For example, here on the front you have this like LED bar which you can adjust and even have a bit like working on the sound. You also have here like a button for 3 EQs. So I do like this design pretty well, like it has been sleekly done on the front. On top you also have some buttons, volume buttons, power on, power off, mode buttons and so on. But on the rear you have an oversized passive radiator. That's really how they claim it is. And yeah, it's pretty big to be honest, but I just find this funny that they like call it a subwoofer. And you all know a subwoofer is a speaker for bass with a speaker and not a passive radiator. But it is kind of funny to see this happening. But the speaker really, its bass performance is pretty solid on normal EQ. I do think I prefer the speaker on the treble EQ because it is more neutral sound. You also have a bass EQ, but if you use this bass EQ above 50% volume, you really get a very strong bass performance, which is a bit overkilling all the other frequencies. It's cool to have. It really like puts this subwoofer, passive radiator, a lot in action. So you know what? Let's just go to those samples. But really, it is a pretty solid speaker overall. It's really not that terrible, and it is cheap, and it looks very nice retro with this grill on top. Let's get started.
It's not hard to believe in love when you shine as bright as 1,000 suns. I don't know where you take normal days to another world. You don't even know what you do to me when you're next to me. There's a spark in the air, something I can say takes a hold of me. Your energy, it's not even fair. And I finally believe, 'cause it's not that hard to see that I could walk the world for a century. I'd be incomplete, no one else can compare. We were meant to be. Treble.
Burning the bridge that
Has to end. Baby, we could just pretend. It has to end. Baby, we could just pretend. Normal. Days.